Why do we fall? So that we can learn to pick ourselves up.
I bet even AI is a Batman fan because it falls, fails, and yet gets back up millions of times. That's literally how it learns. Generative AI doesn't learn by being smart. It just learns by making mistakes over and over again. In the last video, we learned how AI predicts the next word. In today's video, we'll learn how it knows about those predictions and probabilities in the first place. Similar to our brain, even AI has several neural networks. These neural networks have a weight of their own. Now, what are weights? Weight is just a tiny number that controls how much one neuron has an effect on the other one. When AI sees a sentence and predicts a wrong word, we calculate by how wrong that word was. This number is known as a loss. Once we have calculated the loss, we use something that teaches AI. It is an algorithm known as gradient descent. It is basically an algorithm that tweaks the weight a little bit in the direction that reduces the chances of those mistakes. It's all the game of weights. This learning continues until AI reaches its pinnacle and it is able to recognize even the smallest details of your sentence and is able to correctly predict what the next word would be in microseconds. It does this not 10 times, not 100 times, but a billion times in billion scenarios and starts forming patterns which you discussed in first video. Now you know AI is not the smart kid. It's just the dumb kid that doesn't give up. It keeps falling, adjusts itself, corrects itself, comes back again, and this loop goes on and on and on until it has reached its pinnacle. That's it. For more bite-sized explainer like these, follow, like, share and subscribe.